I'm doing a CJ install on my 18. I really couldn't find anything online that, as far as videos goes, that would help. I did see some here and there, but there really isn't one that's detailed. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and cover as much as I can. Right now, I already do have just the lines apart and whatnot. Took the intake off. I should have most of the bolts disconnected as well, so she should just be ready to pop up. Okay, so when you first look at it, you're gonna see that there's a bunch of lines everywhere. This right here, you're pretty much gonna get rid of. It connects here, close to where your throttle body is at, and then one for your intake manifold, one line here, and then one over here to your intake. But this is you're gonna get rid of this. Over here, there is a fuel line that connects here. So once you unbolt the bolts, all three bolts for the intake manifold on each side, and the fuel bolts, before you're about to pull it off, just remember to disconnect this one, otherwise it's going to detangle. In the back of the manifold, there should be 3 IMRC plugs. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and take this brace off. You need to take some these little pins. I'm going to see if it helps me be able to reach back there, because there's absolutely no space in the back. I have 2 unplugged, but there's still a third one back there. Here are the 3 connectors that I was talking about. 2 white ones and 1 blue one. When you're ready to pull off the manifold, just keep in mind that behind the manifold there are 2 pins, one on each side. So you're probably going to be tugging at it like I was, until you figure out that those pins are there. So once you get them out, she's going to come off pretty easily. Okay, so in order to get the CJ installed, we need to lower the motor a bit. So I ended up buying BMR motor mount brackets, and this is the stock ones, and these are the BMR ones. Some spacers, I guess, if you want to raise it up a little bit. How I have it right now should lower it half an inch. I think the most difficult thing that I found was trying to lift the car. It's an automatic, so it has the plastic pan. So I had to make something up, just lift it through there. Lifted it enough to where I would be able to remove the old one and put the new one back on. But this is how she's going. I still need to do the passenger side. It's still in there so far. So I finally finished my Cobra jet install on my 2018. Some things that I had to do, fabricate, I guess. I'm going to try to show a video up close. That way you can kind of see how I rerouted some things. I know when I was looking, I really wanted some pictures to be able to go off of. You will see that on the 2018 manifold, you have these 3 connectors. This one and 2 white ones. This white one and then the white one right there. On the Cobra jet manifold, you would not need them, so I went ahead and just zip tied them here, and there. In order for the fuel rails to fit, see this right here, they will need to be cut. There's a tab where the fuel rails are at. They're stacked one on top of each other, so I ended up cutting that little tab and then moving one in front of the other. There's also another tab right there. I ended up moving that one as well. Or cutting, I mean. There's this little channel right here on the fuel rail. Not sure if you can see it. It's right there. Do not cut that one. That's actually not a tab. Still need to delete my sound tube. Still just have it on there. Okay, so on this side, if you remember, on the 18 on the throttle body, I believe there is 3 connectors up here for your brake booster and your evap. So what I did was I ended up getting rid of most of that. I went out and bought a 3/8 line and just connected it straight like that to the CJ. The brake booster, I ran it down here to the bottom port, and the evap, I ran it to the top one. On the evap, there's little plastic holes that was here, so I just got rid of that, and then I put a 3/8 on there. And then I went ahead and zip tied everything. I'm trying to keep it nice and neat. Here you can see where I've yet to cut my hood. You can see right here where it's hitting. It's right here. So I think I'm going to end up cutting maybe this piece out. That way I can go ahead and close it. It closes, but it's definitely and obviously hitting. I do have a data log on 93 now, and she's running good, so I'm hoping that today I'll go ahead and put some E85 on there. Possibly tomorrow I can have those logs back, or yeah, that so Lon can let me know if what it's doing, if it's looking good or what. But yeah, I did have to lower the motor a bit. I believe it was half an inch. I'm not sure if you can see, but I ended up buying the BMR MM0008 mount brackets, motor mount brackets. I don't think you can see them. So I got rid of the big clunky ones that came on it, and I put those on. And you can still see that there still needs to be some cutting done to that hood. This is where it's hitting. The install itself wasn't so bad. Just took a while, but it wasn't all that bad. So yeah, if you guys need help, just let me know. I'll try to post up some pictures on a forum that I'm on, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you the best I can.